my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm unboxing the LANCOME 2020 Holiday Beauty Box. If that sounds interesting to you, stick around. First, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Eileen and I am so very glad that you decided to come and hang out with me for a while today. If you have not yet subscribed, I'd love it if you would hit that subscribe button. Also, if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up before you leave. The LANCOME Holiday Beauty Box is available at a number of retailers and it costs $72.50 with a $42 minimum purchase. I got mine directly from the LANCOME site and I was able to use a 20% discount on the order, so the holiday box ended up costing me $58. They claim it contains 10 full-size products and is a $555 value. In order to meet my minimum purchase requirement, I bought the La Rose highlighter, which is a limited edition highlighter for the 2020 holiday. And just look at this packaging. It's just gorgeous. As you guys know, I love a good highlight, and it was just so pretty. It was even the packaging more than the highlighter, I'll be honest. I get sucked in by really pretty packaging, but I really liked, I don't know how well it's coming across there, but there's a little bit of, sort of opalescent reflection in that highlighter, and I just thought it was so pretty. Retail on this is $49.50, but again, I was able to use a 20% first order discount. So I got this as well as the discount on the holiday set. So it comes in this beautiful train case. It was available in pink or in, I don't know if it's silver or gray. I didn't realize it was going to be quite so metallic. I thought it was just regular pink, even though it was hot pink. If I'd known it was quite this pink, I don't know that I would have gotten it, but I may have, who knows. Anyway, open that up, and inside here are all the products. If you can see this lovely sparkly inset that they are set in. Okay, so our first product is the Advanced Genifique Youth Activating Concentrate. And this is an advanced anti-aging face serum with bifidus prebiotic that targets 10 key signs of aging, visibly improving radiance in just 7 days. It is available in 3 sizes at retail. This is the 1 ounce or 30 milliliter. Retail on this is $78, so it's already paid for the set. Okay, our next item is the Advanced Genifique Yeux Youth Activating Eye Cream. This is a fresh gel-like eye cream powdered by Advanced Genifique's bifidus extract to improve dark circles, hydrate, and smooth the eye area. This again is a full size. It is a ½ ounce or 15 milliliters and it retails for $67. And while we're on the Advanced Genifique, we have the Advanced Genifique Eye Light Pearl, which is this. This is a brightening eye serum that works to improve dark circles, visibly reduce eye bags, and visibly fortify eyelashes. Light Pearl has been formulated to reduce the appearance of under eye wrinkles and eye puffiness and increase hydration for more luminous, youthful looking eyes. Again, full-size product. 0.67 fluid ounces or 20 milliliters, and it retails for $70. Next we have the, I'm so bad with my French pronunciation, forgive me, Bifacil Double Action Eye Makeup Remover. This is an award-winning eye makeup remover with a cult following. It's gentle enough for sensitive skin and for contact lens wearers. It is available in 4 sizes at retail. We received the 125 milliliter or 4.2 fluid ounce. Retail on this is $30. Next, oh, I like this. This is the CILS Booster XL Enhancing Lash Primer. This is a lash conditioning and mascara primer all in one. I have had this in samples more than once, I actually have one now that I've been very, very happy with, so I'm excited to have a full-size one for once. The retail on this is $26.50. And to go along with that, we have the CILS High Definition Mascara. This is an iconic mascara that creates clean, defined, natural-looking lashes and retails for $27.50. And we have Color Design Sensational Effects lipsticks, and we received 2. They say this luxurious lipstick is infused with soothing ingredients so lips feel soft and comforted all day. There are 5 fabulous finishes. There's cream, sheen, shimmer, metallic, and matte. We did receive 2 colors, and the first is number 181 Red Stiletto, which is a cream. And that is a gorgeous red, absolutely gorgeous red. I would even use that red, and I don't wear reds very much because I need very specific shades of red or pumpkin. So that was the first one, and then the second one is 126 Natural Beauty, and that is also a cream. It's very much a nude shade, but I'm afraid on me it might be a little orange. I don't know, we'll have to see about that one. These retail for $25 each, and we got 2 of them. Okay, next we got a Parisian Wanderlust eye and face palette. You can see it's fairly thick, and there's a reason for that. You open the lid here, there is a mirror, and then you have your eye shades. Hopefully you can get that without the glare. There's a very, very nice range of colors. This would be, you know, good to travel with when we can, because you got a little bit of everything in there. And then down below, and there is your face palette. You get 2 blushes, a highlighter, and a bronzer. And that's all in one, so talk about travel friendly. This is not a retail product. This is designed specifically for this, so I couldn't come up with a retail value on this. But you do have 12 shadows, 2 blushes, a highlighter, and a bronzer. And the other item that we receive in here is a dual-ended shadow and blush brush. So let's see, we've got the wider end here for blush and the shadow down below. Again, this seems to be designed specifically for this because I couldn't find it for sale anywhere to give you a retail on it. And that's everything. That's our 10 products. We've got the eye makeup remover, the 3 Genifique products, the lash primer and the mascara, 2 lipsticks, the eye and face palette, and the brush. Retail price $72.50. Again, after the discount, I got it for $58. Total retail value, not counting the palette and the brush because I couldn't come up with it, a price on these, but total of everything else, $398.50. Plus these. So they say $555. I'm not going to say they're wrong because we know that the shadows and the face products are going to be pricey from LANCOME. So I am not even a little bit disappointed in what we got in this box. You could basically, other than foundation, you could easily do skincare and full face. So let me know what you think of it. I don't see LANCOME nearly as often as I see some other brands on YouTube, but you know, clearly they've been around a long time for a reason. So let me know your thoughts on the brand and what you think of this holiday box. Is this something you would even consider or would consider now that you've seen it? Leave your comments down in the comments section. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Remember, life is uncertain. Add extra sparkle. And thank you for spending your time hanging out with me today. Please stay safe. Be kind to yourself. And I'll see you real soon. Bye.